It's Tablescape Tuesday, y'all. Let's get it on. I am introducing the new singing sensation, Jar-ettz and the Jar-ettz. Let's go, ladies. It's Tablescape Tuesday, 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 Tablescape Tuesday, all day long. It's Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Come on, ladies, sing it. Come on, Janisha. It's Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Come on, Jacqueesa. Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Come on, Jaretta. It's Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. And make that tablescape beautiful, beautiful. Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. All right, ladies, thank you so very much for that nice introduction for Tablescape Tuesday. And thank you, Courtney and Anna, for having Tablescape Tuesday. And let's give our singing guests a great big round of applause. The Jar-ettz. Yay for the Jar-ettz. Now, I decided to make a tier tray this time for Tablescape Tuesday. And as you can see, me and the Jar-ettz are celebrating our Christmas tier table. We have our comfort and joy platters in the back, and we also have a tier tray made from the platters that says comfort and joy, and we have our cups there that says comfort and joy. And as you know, these cups and these platters or chargers came from the Dollar Tree, and I obtained these about, I want to say, 3 to 4 years ago when they first started putting them out. And Miss Jar-ettz is a empty coffee jar that I put in a little brown paint on the inside, shook it out, and then put real eyelashes that I got from the Dollar Tree on Miss Jar-ettz. And LaQuisha is all decked out for Christmas. Look at LaQuisha's little Christmas trees and her bell. And go over here, we got Janisha. Hi, Janisha. And she's all decked out in bowls and bell. So Mabel's Tables and the Jar-ettz with Jaretta, Janisha, and Jacqueesa. We like to say, be sure that you don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. We may be jars, but we are still know that where our blessings come from. Thank you, Jaretta. Thank you, Janisha. And thank you, Jacqueesa. The Jar-ettz for Tablescape Tuesday. God is King, and this is his birthday, and the Jar-ettz are celebrating Jesus. All right, girls, hit it. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tablescape Tuesday. Thank you, Courtney. Thank you, Anna. Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. A Tablescape Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. This is Mabel's Table saying, adieu.